Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and we have a very cool lock here. One, because it's a ZI Ikon. You just don't find many of these about, really, not the padlock forms, especially not here over in the UK, maybe on the continent, but very high quality locks indeed. It's got an original key here, which is really nice, and yeah, it's just an overall quite nice little lock. But look at the key. Again, something a bit different about it. Well, two things really. Is you have 7 key cuts. So this is the SK7 core in here, and it is a bit stiff. It doesn't want to. The shackle doesn't want to pop when it's open. You do have to give it a pull. It's probably just been bent a little bit in its use, but because it's touching at that point. But nevertheless, really nice. And the other thing is you'll see these little wings either side of the key, so here and here, and those correspond with these two cutouts here on the lock warding, so here and here, and on the inside you can feel a little pin, and I think that these are, and I could be wrong, passive key control pins, so that if you had a suite of these locks, even if you cut the same bitting, if these notches weren't in the same place, then it wouldn't open the lock, because the pins that are in here would be pushed out into the side of the core and stop the lock from opening. If I'm wrong, please tell me in the comments, because that is my understanding. I could be entirely wrong, but you don't need to pick those pins to open the lock, so it makes me think that they are passive. So yeah, overall, quite a rare lock here in the UK. Very cool to have that 7-pin key, the SK7 core. I think we should stick this in a vise and give it a pick. Okay, so we are in the vise, and here's that amazing key with its 7 pins. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pins here. Maximum adjacent cuts, I believe, from 2 to 3, 4 to 5, and 5 to 6. So really high, low, high, low, high, low across that key. You might be able to see these wings either side with these little cutouts for the key control pins, the passive pins either side. Very nice indeed. We have a gem style pick, we have a 1.3mm turning tool, and if we pop that in the top of the keyway nicely, we should be able to get some pretty firm tension on this. And we're going to go all the way to the back. 7 there, nothing on 6, nothing on 5, little click on 4, nothing on 3, nothing on 2, 1's biting very heavily, all the way quite far up. Oh, got it, I think. Good. Back to 7, feels fine. 6, feels good. 5, little click. I'm on 3, I think. 2, and 1's just dropped a bit. Back to 7, 7, nothing on 6, 5 feels okay, 4 feels good, 3 nothing, 2 little click, 1 feels fine. Back to 7, 6 now, back to 5, 4 feels good, 3, 2, ooh, hope I didn't overset 2 there, 7, 6, 5, little click, 4 feels fine, 3, 2 feels good, 1, okay, back to the back again, 7, nothing, 6, little click, 5 feels fine, 4 feels fine, nothing quite on 3 yet, 2 feels good, 1 feels alright. Okay, so 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, tiny click, 2 now. Oh, nice click from 2. Nothing on 1. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, again 1. So it feels like we're just going to have to go back through this lock 1 pin at a time, just trying to get everything set. So I'm going to go back into the lock to position 2 with a deep hook again. One feels good. Okay, need to go back in with that gem, I think. 7 feels good. 6, 5, 4 feels good. 3 feels set. 2 and 1. I really don't know what's holding us up here. I feel good on most of these pins. Back to 7. 7 feels set. 6 feels set. 5 feels set. 4 feels set. 3 might be overset. 2, hard to tell with 2, and 1 feels good. So let's try again. 7 feels good. 6 feels good. 5 feels good. 4 feels good. 3 now feels good. Oh, and we're in a false set, I think, because we're not open. So let's try 7, 6, don't think it's 5, it could be 5, 4, it's 3 here, and we got the open. Oh, that's stiff. Get off. Right, now, haha, if we take this out, we should be able to, there we go. Whew, that is a stiff shackle, but we did get the open. So we hit a false set, opened, opened turn pin 3, and we got this lovely ZI Ikon lock open with that lovely bitting 7 pins. Really, really lovely. Such a great lock. Just everything about this is such a cool lock. You can't shim it. It's got these square cutouts, 7 pins, gnarly keyway, which isn't paracentric but does require some picking tools which are nice and thin, somewhere around that 18 thousandths of an inch. Yeah, great lock. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like. If you haven't subscribed and want to see more lock picking like this, then please do subscribe. Really helps me out. If you have any comments, leave them below. I read all of them. I try to reply to as many as I can. So stay safe, and I'll see you all next time.